Okay, in this lesson we will go over page 14 of your area packet, area of a shaded region. We'll do 3 problems. And number 1, we have this figure right here, and we want the area of the shaded region. Now let's first find the area of the whole square. So here, from here to here is 10, and from here to here is 4, so the entire side length would be 14 centimeters, right? 10 plus 4 is 14. And this side from here to here, well, from here to here is 6, and from here to here is 8, then this entire side length is also 14 centimeters. And so every side is 14. This side's 14, and this side's 14. So let's find the area of the whole square. Okay, now the area of the whole square, you could take base times height, or you could just do side squared. The area is 14 times 14, right? You could say base times height. 14 times 14 is 196. So the area of the square is 196 square centimeters, but we want just the area of the shaded region. So what we have to do is we have to take out this triangle, we have to take that triangle out, and we have to take that triangle out of the area because it's not included in the shaded region. So let's find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle. Area of triangle. I'll put TRI for triangle. Area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. And these triangles are the same. They both have a base of 4. That base is 4. This base is 4. And they both have a height of 6. Okay, so base is 4, height is 6. Plug that into your area equation. So area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base of 4 times the height of 6. All right, so 1/2 of 4 is 2, and 2 times 6 is 12. So the area of one of the triangles is 12, right? That's the area of this triangle, which is 12. And the area of this triangle would also be 12. So here, if I take the whole square minus the area of the triangles, because if you take the triangles out of the shape, you would just be left with the shaded region. And if the area of each triangle is 12, well, 12 plus 12 is 24. Okay, so I need to take 24 from 196. So 196, the area of the square, minus the area of the triangles, and 196 minus 24 would be 172, and I need to label my answer in square units. In this case, square centimeters, centimeters squared. That is the area of the shaded region. Okay, number 2, you have a problem like this. You see that figure, and you want to find the area of the shaded region. Let's first find the area of the whole rectangle. So base times height. Base of 40, that's the base, height of 32. So area of rectangle equals base times height, and my base is 40, my height is 32, and if you multiply 40 times 32, you'll get 1,280. So that is the area of the rectangle, but as you can see, I have a triangle here that is not shaded. So I need to find the area of that triangle so that I can take that area away from the area of the whole rectangle. So let's find area of triangle, which is equal to 1/2 times base times height. My base, you can see here, from here to here, my base is 16, and my height, as shown here, is 24. Okay, so I'm going to plug those into the equation. 1/2 times the base of 16 times the height of 24. If I multiply those together, 1/2 times 16 times 24, I will get the area is 192. Okay, so that is the area of my triangle. I need to take that area away from the area of the whole rectangle. So 1,280 minus 192 will give me 1,088. And I need to label my units. It's in centimeters, and this is area, so square centimeters. That is the area of the shaded region. Finally, number 3, you have this. You have a parallelogram, and inside that parallelogram, you have a triangle. So let's first find the area of the whole parallelogram. So area of, I'll put PARA, the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram equals base times height. And 18 is the base, 15 is the height of the parallelogram. So the area of the parallelogram, easy for me to say, is base, which is 18, times height of 15. And 18 times 15 is 270. So that is the area of the whole parallelogram. Now, since I have a triangle that sits inside of it, and that is not shaded, I need to take that triangle out of the shaded region. So let's find the area of the triangle. I'll put area of triangle, TRI, triangle, is 1/2 times the base times the height. Okay, so area of triangle is 1/2 times the base, which is 7, times the height, which is 10. If you multiply those together, you get the area is 35. So area of parallelogram is 270, area of triangle is 35. So finally find the difference. 270, take away the area of the triangle, which is 35. So 270 minus 35 is equal to 235, and this is centimeters squared. That is the area of the shaded region.